Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Yo, big day, exciting day. Hopefully, hopefully, hope is alive, but good, good things, good things ahead. Good things are ahead. Hope all is well with you. Hey, shout out to all y'all that decided to come through and just smash that like button out the gates. Appreciate you. Yo, we're 3 for 3 right now. Let's see. Starting the day with a little uptrend, but I think if we go back enough, there is some resistance over here, as we can see. So watch out for that 252.41 level. Let me get these other charts shifted. Maxwell, good morning. Appreciate you, family. Hope you have a blessed day. Or hope we all do. Mahishu, hey, what's up? What's up, Mahishu? What did I have on my watch list? Let me see. Spy, Hood, AMD, and SoFi. Okay. We'll make the dollar right. Ooh. I wish I could just like control the charts with my eyes instead of having to use my having to do all these clicks. Letty, good morning. But who am I to complain with all the privilege that we have compared to the past? Let's see. You know, you get so comfortable. It's like, let's slide that down a little bit more. Yeah, what's a Friday? A 0DT Friday. Marcus, good morning. Make me a sandwich. Bro, what kind of sandwich we making? Top of the morning, family. Johnny, good morning. You said thank you for last week. Since learning about the hike and ash, you've been on a tear. Hey, that's what's up. Hey, I hadn't seen him. For a bit, but yo, we'll throw a shout out to Henry because yo, that's kind of where I got in on the got in, kind of learned. So yeah, I'm glad the knowledge is diffusing. Hey, that's the importance of community. But yo, glad to hear you've been on a tear. And yeah, hopefully may God continue to bless us all, or you know, some people may not be as close with God. You know, may He come or make Himself present in your life. All right, let's see. Hold up. AMD, SoFi. Let's see. Hey, SoFi doing some running from today and yesterday too. So AMD, SoFi, Robinhood. These are all. Actually, I'm doubtful that I'll actually trade SoFi, but I got it on here. Highest likelihood of me trading SPY. Robinhood is. Wait, hold up. Let's go to 4 hour on Robinhood. We got a larger level of liquidity at 120 on Robinhood, so might be cool with a quick pullback there. Let me get my accounts open and ready so I can see them. Pull up my iPad and my phone. And let me make sure I'm in the right account. Hey, Brandon. Hey, what's up, family? Bro, the growth on this account, bro. Hey, first we're gonna do it to this account, and then, yo, next week we get started on the, what is it, snowball challenge? That's gonna be fun. Oh, speaking of the snowball challenge, family, here, let me drop the link for anybody interested. I know not everyone's gonna be able to come to the like come to all the live streams because they're gonna be private. But um, oh well, we got people coming through. Hold up. How do I pin? Oh, okay. That link pin message. So right here on this, you got the snowball challenge. If you want to do it yourself, there is a free calculator. You got the rules for the challenge, and oh here, let me refresh this. So yeah, you got the page, and if you, I'm starting with 500, but if you want to do a different number, you can change the number. Say I wanted it to be like, say I wanted to start with 800. It'll still do the math. We got the weekly percentage here. If you want to go for something smaller than 10%, you can do that. If you wanted to go for something crazy like 20% each week, might not seem like much at all, but over time, 20% does end up being quite crazy. Like you see that mess goes up fast. But looking at it, you got, yo, if you started with 800, here, let's switch it back to 500. But notice all the numbers kind of shift with things. So if we started with 500, the weekly target would be 100. Week 2, you'd be going for 120, 144. It goes up as you do each. You can mark whether it's hit or miss. If you continue to hit them, you'll notice, hey, we're checking them off. If you miss one, you miss. And then you notice, where is it? I think it's like, oh, right here, it shows your strike. So after you miss 3 times, everything gets grayed out, and yeah, you got all that there. So just wanted to show that. That's a resource. But Gato, top of the morning. Hey, God bless you as well, family. Dornez, good morning. Do I think SoFi will keep going or pull back? I think SoFi is going to have trouble at this like 1919, 1920 area. If SoFi like breaks below that, then SoFi will probably go crazy. But I think it's going to have some trouble there, or at least you can see some kind of pullback there. That's what I would count on. And then here, let's see. Hey, I got you, Gato. Kevin, good morning. Hey, from Lakeland, Florida. Okay. Hey, Florida out here. Okay. Day, good morning. Good morning. All right, so we got the dollar trying to move up as we come into the day. Would not surprise me to see us like pull back to start the day. I would like to see a quick wake up, and I would like to try to ride some downside. I'm gonna real quick see if I can get in position to grab a put or something. Just to actually probably better to wait, because the premium like right at open is usually pretty high. So we'll still wait. Did I say good morning to Day traveling? Hey, good morning. Where we traveling? Where we traveling? All right. So yeah, it looks like we open here in about, here, let me move this side. There we go. I was like doing all my live streams, I noticed I was blocking the time. So whenever I came back to watch stuff, I'm like, yo, what time is it? All right, so we got about 20 seconds, then we open. All right. Been using gamma exposure to trade spy calls has been, hey, I'm glad that's working for you, family. It's really been helping me out as well. All right, so 752.41. I do want to see if we can hit that. Wait, let me make sure I'm in the right account. Yeah, see if we can hit that. I'm Trying to see what the puts are looking like today. Let me see the range. We are trying to move up to start today. I got one contract I'm looking at nice and light. Hey, Stacy, Kenny, good morning. Yeah, one contract I'm ready to get like right off the rip. Let's see. Okay, so we're up here. All right, so here, let's see if I get filled. All right, I should be filled, but it's not filling me. I grabbed two, or I put in, okay, yeah, so I grabbed two 751 puts on the SPY. Yeah, we're at a level of liquidity. I think I like grabbed like right here. Honestly, I'm just trying to ride to the promised land. So I paid 93 cents per share. They're currently worth 98 per share. Really, what I'm trying to do is I just want to secure this. I want to secure this challenge. I think I need like $38 or something like that to do so. So I want to see if I can get in. But this seems like I would think we can at least come back halfway to this area here. Might be a little early, might not. We did have like the dollar pushing up to start, but now we're selling off. Ooh, AMD, hold up. That one like pushed up. Okay. Oh, well, that's just a little pre-market range. This area up here is going to be a little bit bigger. Ken, top of the morning. Alex, good morning. Here, let me also put the contract I got in there. Let's see. What is it? I grabbed a SPY. What is it? 741 put, 0 DT, or 751. Paid, what I paid? 93 cents per share. Alright, so we're trying to push up here. I want to look and see how this first whatever goes. Or let me check the gamma exposure. Because we could just, sit and rip here. But we got the dollar moving up, so I'm still chilling holding those actually. Alright, so we got a wall right here at 753. I could see us pulling back and then going back up. Here, let's see. Yeah, we got a bigger call wall at 755. That's going to be the big one for the day. Once again, I'm trying to snag something a little like small right here. Here, let's see. Hey, Timothy, good morning. Osama, good morning. Oh yeah, SoFi hit the level. Right now, here, let's look at it on the 4-hour real quick. So set some liquidity here. I would expect it to be able to pull back to this like 1870 area. But we'll kind of see. Everything, like most of the stuff I saw in the charts was up at an extreme. Or not, I wouldn't say extreme, but they're pretty much like on the 4-hour, there was liquidity and they were like ready to hit it. So like SoFi, there's liquidity here and I think it can sell down. This first 15 minutes, I would say, doesn't really matter that much. They're going to try to play the games. So if we go to the SPY on the 4-hour, similar story. So got some liquidity here. I would think we could at least pull back to like 751.34 or so before, like, we can go up. We can continue to go up, but I think on this 4-hour or like by the time the stream is done, that we will have at least pulled back to like 751.30 or so. Here, let me adjust this to reflect that. Also shrink this down a little bit. Just to, there we go. Not have it take up so much space. Did I say good morning, Osama? If I did not, good morning. All right, we got Robinhood pulling back, like kind of off the back. Like I was looking for it to hit this 120 first before it pulled back, but it pulled back first. So let me see what that's looking like. I mean, that's it's still kind of riding up, like this 13 EMA. Actually, not getting too much movement right now. Also, hey, shout out to the 30 people that came in and said, "Yo, I'm gonna smash the like button. I'm gonna put out some good." Appreciate y'all, family. All right, so we got SoFi here. Let's come back to the 15. Oh, I had another level above. What is this? 1980. Maybe it's going for that. Oh, hold up. So this one over here, this 1920 was small, but 1980 is a bigger one. So this would probably be another area where I like if we get to that 1980, then it's like, yo. All right, so we got SPY pushing up some more at this 753 level. Yeah, I may end up needing to average down. We'll see. I'm gonna still give it its 15 minutes or so. Let those contracts do what they do. We're at 753. There is this wall at 755, which should be a lot stronger. We'll kind of let the SPY set its footprint for the day. We still got the dollar like on the morning kind of elevated. Well, from yesterday it's down like a little bit, but it's elevated, and I don't think the SPY has properly adjusted. Monica, good morning. Wait, YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. Yo, what's my Wi-Fi looking like? Bro, I'm gonna need YouTube to get it right. My Wi-Fi looking just fine. All right, dollar kind of pulling back. You got Robinhood, nice little pullback back below pre-market low. Yeah, Robinhood selling off. Hey, you got SoFi pumping and Robinhood dropping. Let me check the levels on those as well. Let's see what's up with SoFi. All right, so SoFi does have like a mega wall at 920 or 980 or $20. $20 on SoFi. And then what was the other one? Robinhood? So there's a put wall on Robinhood at 114, but the gamma is positive right now, so it's still in like winter territory. All right, so I'm down like 17% on those puts I grabbed this morning. As of right now, they're at like 77 cents per share. Okay, now I'm down 11%. Down 9. Hey, we're moving in the right direction down now. Have a $20 put on SoFi. That's honestly something I was thinking about. All right, so now up again on the SPY puts, moving more into the right direction. All right, so yeah, we showing our first red Heiken Ashy. Doesn't quite mean anything yet, but I do like to see us rejecting that first that pre-market high. Ben, good morning. You said how do I mark pre-market high and low? I pretty much like it. I usually do it on the 4 hour. So if we look at AMD right here, if I go like this, I just would have it on the SPY. Or here, let's just pick a stock I didn't mark. So say we have Adobe. Usually in the pre-market, this candle right here, this is the first one for Friday because this one's from Thursday. So the low would be right here at the bottom of it. And then if you, as long as you look at the chart before pre-market, this next candle right here, the top of it would be pre-market high. But because this is also like the market is open now, it's above that now. So you just want to make sure you're looking before the market actually opens. What I just have right here? Oh, it was AMD. Let me see. All right, so right now up 10%. I'm up. I'm like, hey, I'm $15 away from target. Hey, so hey, getting ready to hopefully getting ready to do that thing. You said, am I looking at Meta? No, I did see that it's up because they got an analyst upgrade. Meta, I know the contracts on Meta are crazy though, so it's like I usually want to be trading in a larger account to actually capitalize on it. But one thing I do see is it looks like they are at a level. Let's back out. Let me see. Because I had this level marked. I'm not sure exactly what I had it marked for, but this area it's at right now should be an area of resistance. So I would say like be careful on Meta to the upside right now. This could serve as a fake out. Like is so often where you see like something will pop up and it'll pop up a lot and it'll just completely erase all the gains that from that pop up. So just be careful. I would like maybe like if I were trying to watch this, watch it on a low time frame, and if you want to ride like on the 2 minute. As of right now, it's still above the 13. Actually, it's falling below it. So just I would say be careful. But yeah, this one moves faster than what I'm trying to deal with. Okay, we got Robinhood still pulling back. All right, so now there's a call wall at 111 on Robinhood. So I wouldn't be surprised to see us come back below that. It looks like as of right now, happy area would be Robinhood between 110 and 111. Let me look at the gamma exposure on what is it, the SPY? Hey, very welcome, Jasmine. Hey, we can count on these landscapers. Okay, so now it looks like gamma is pointing towards like that 750 level right now. So, hey, I'm gonna sit around for the ride right now. Just see if we can get there, cause this may end up like printing. Asia, what is SPY resistance? I would say right now the resistance. So pre-market high on the SPY was actually 752.30, but I have this line up here because if we go back, there's some liquidity at this 752.41 level. So that's what I would say the resistance is on the SPY at the moment. Is the 752.41. So we're at resistance right now. We have tested and tried to push it, but it looks like pointing towards the 750 level, but that it could change. So yeah, right now trying to play patience. We just closed out our first 15 minutes of the day, and it looks like that level for now still is victorious. The Heiken Ashies are red. There's that. And good morning, top of the morning, and hey, let's see. Hey, I'm liking. Hey, looking right here, we got the Heiken Ashies stringing the reds. Hey, it would be really nice to catch it down here at this 751.31, but also even nicer if it decides, yo, let's come to 750 or something. All right, I'm back down. Here, I'm gonna have to lock this iPad because I can see the exact value of the account. I just see it going from red to green. We're just hovering right now. You said, what is SoFi resistance? It has multiple levels of resistance. So it depends on where it's at and what points you're talking about. The next level of resistance is 1980. Support right now is like 1920 or so. Hey Henry, what's good? Where you been at, man? Yo, let's see. Hood stock drops despite price target hike. Yeah, so we got Hood back at 1251. Okay. Let's see. Are these people? Here, I'm gonna take Meta back to a 2 just because I'm trying to watch and see what it looks like. Meta jumped another 6.5% Friday, compounding the risk of a short squeeze that sent bears retreating a day earlier when the company outlined plans to further monetize its huge spending in artificial intelligence infrastructure. Alright, so as of right now, we're holding up at that 13 EMA. I'm gonna just be quiet right now. I'm having a hard time hearing myself think. Alright, so we got SoFi pulling back to 1930. Shoot, maybe a short, like as SoFi came to that area, would have been a better play. All right, so we got a SPY at 752 or 90. Here, let me look at this one more time. All right, let me check Gamma. Okay, so the wall. It looks like the wall at 755 strengthened up again. The call wall. So yeah, we'll see what happens. It's like I'll wait for us to wait to see if we confirm up here on the 15. If we confirm, then it's like I might try to flip and play the upside, but as for now, I'm still riding with the direction I've gone. All right, we do have that. The dollar's trying to come back up though, so that's a good look. Let me get a look at the PCE today too. PCE is nice and low. We are primed, actually very primed to sell off. Like just in that respect, just looking at the PCE, not that anything else is pointing there. USO is down a little bit. VIX is down. Hey, Bitcoin. That might be part of why I guess SoFi's up. Bitcoin having a nice day. It's up like 2%, back to 64K. Got out of SoFi with 16% gain. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Hey, get that money. Get that money. Let's go. See what else we got going on here. So this 753 level is serving as a magnet right now. See what else we got going on. AMD up like 7 on the day. Wait, hold on. Let me look at AMD real quick. All right, so something I identified this morning on AMD is this channel it's in. So like right now where it's at, like assuming it follows the rules, this is about to be a breakout level. Here, let me add like an alert. But yeah, the break of this is either a good like way to play upside, or from here you can get a move down to like I guess the bottom down here at 495 or lower. All right, you got SPY trying to come retest that high day again. Almost there, but not quite. So yeah, I got the AMD there, just being aware of it. Let's see. Pull Meta back up. Meta's back to like 670. See how they actually do, because this is quite a level right here. See if they can actually hold it or if they fall down. So Apple pre-market lows and highs. Bro, Apple been playing games. Here, let's see. I didn't even mark their pre-market lows and high. Let's see if I can get it figured out. But that's Thursday. So pre-market low was, oh wait, hold up. I'm gonna slide this up. Pre-market low is over here at 1360. Pre-market high was like up here at 316. Yeah, so it went and hit both, and it's chilling in the middle. Apple's, like, it would not surprise me if Apple wants to just chill right there in the middle all day, because you know they do like to like have it just move sideways and just burn theta on everyone. Let's see where we're. Let me see where these contracts are. On the lowest of keys, I'm gonna grab 2 more. Oh, the price just jumped up too. Dang it. Oh well. Okay, I'm not gonna grab 2 more. It's like had I grabbed it like 5 seconds earlier, yo, I'd be actually I wouldn't. But if it comes back to that price, I'll probably grab 2 more. But I think we're getting ready. I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 more at 65 cents a share. Actually, I'm not sure it got filled. I might not. Okay, yeah, I got the 2 more. So my average cost is it hasn't adjusted yet. My average cost is 79 cents per share. Like I see this dollar, the dollar is trying, like it's trying to push up, like it's almost to a high of day, almost, not quite, but yeah, it's almost back to a high of day. Really would like to see us come back below this. What is this? 13 EMA right here. Software and AI today, the inverse has been on the change. Let's see. D-Scurb, top of the morning. Oh, you said SPY puts, play of the day. So it's kind of what I grabbed at open. I'm kind of just wanting them to take me, take me to the goal. I don't know if it's necessarily play of the day, but it's what I got so far today. Waiting for confirmation or invalidation of the trade. It's like we've kind of been like in this range. We've been trading between like 750 250 and about 753 all day, so we've been in like a 50-cent range since the market's been open. So I'll say it's like too soon to say. Dominique, good morning. Hello, 11:55:7. Good morning. Or 5:57. All right, so it looks like we're trying to push up here. We still got the dollar pushing up though. So that still leads me to believe, hey, there's a good chance of a turnaround. They're just trying to draw some people in right now. That is what I am being led to believe right now. Yeah, because we still got that dollar pushing. PCE 0.5 right now, or 0.50, however you want to say it. And we're like, honestly, we're kind of struggling to move up. So it's like it's kind of what they do. 752.88. We're about to close this candle out. Got 17 seconds left on this 15-minute candle. Still not still no confirmation. It does look like it's going to close positive, but it's not going to confirm on this one. You said SPY did break the 4-hour upper trend. Yeah. So right now the SPY is messing with we got some liquidity though. So it's like while SPY is above the trend line, that's cool, but we should still get a pullback before moving up. And it's like we're long past that trend line. But here, let me come back down so I'm still like facing reality. I don't want to get on so high of a time frame where it's like I'm not even seeing things the way they are anymore. You said, yeah, I'm in a spy put. I'm in a 751 spy put right now. I think my average cost is like 79 cents. It's currently going for 59 cents a share. I'm down like 30% on it. All right, we got the dollar still moving up, still moving up. So if this candle closes like this trade's invalidated, and I'll have to take the L. But we still got like 13 minutes on it. Another thing I want to add about it being invalidated though is I also will account for and take into account what the dollar looks like. If the dollar is still pushing up, like if it's pushing up hard or anything like that, and this closes up here but it doesn't look like super strong, I'll probably stick around another one. But if it's kind of how it is now, and we just keep pushing, yeah, I'm gonna have to close it out. You know, look at that, Robinhood selling off hard. That was probably the trade of the day right there. Robinhood just crashing like that. Let me get a look at Meta again. Hey, honestly, if you look at the chart on Meta and you look at the chart on the SPY, we're very much following Meta. Like the chart on Meta and the chart on the SPY are identical. So Meta is what is currently moving us. I'm gonna look at Meta's gamma. We could, like, if that's the case, Meta could send us flying. I'm gonna have to look at some things. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna say right now we're super positive gamma on Meta. Bro, we still got the dollar flying too though. I'm gonna say we're stuck in a. You said Nvidia was the trade. Nvidia had like a $2 range this morning. Let's see. Nvidia took off. Here, let's look at it like this. Let's see which one had the bigger move. All right, so Nvidia from open, $6 move, 3%. I think Robinhood is from open, $8 move, and 6.8. So I'm not saying that Nvidia wasn't a good move. Hey, if it's the move you took, that's a nice move. But yo, when it comes to Robinhood or Nvidia for the move on Robinhood, a little bit. Hey, if I had to pick one, if I knew both were happening, I would go for the Robinhood. Let's see. Looking for confirmation on Hood. Put now on the 1 minute. Yeah, so if Robinhood does confirm, it can go for the trade I was looking for earlier this week on it. I took like 40% on a put to Hood. Down. I think I cut out over here. And then And then like I was like thinking, oh yeah, it was no, it was over here. I was thinking, yo, we could come to this level, but yeah, if we come down, then like say, I guess if it makes it past like 109, yo, it can come all the way down to this 106 level. There's some money there. Let me get rid of that. What I had right here, I had something though. Here, I'm gonna take Meta to a 2 minute. All right, we got like 8 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Meta pulling back to the 13 on the 2. It's not a crazy pullback on like Meta for the day, but on the 2 minute, I think it'd be nice to see it move to this 13 EMA or this 48 EMA. That would do some stuff for the SPY. And let me go on and slide this over. It'd be nice to see us move on past this little 13 EMA on the SPY. So getting a little pullback action here. Nothing too crazy yet. Hold on, just got an alert on Apple for something. Oh, it's just okay. So Apple is back at pre-market lows. We got Meta at the 13 EMA. Let's see if that can come down some more, since that's being the hero for the day, kind of controlling the SPY. SPY dropping, flip that 15. Hey, I would love that. Like if it actually wants to hold it. Yeah, if it stays like this, hey, that's cool. Right now I'm still down like 25%. But yeah, now we're starting to set a little bit more of a footprint on the day. Down like 20% now. I'm liking, hey, Hike and Ashy is getting to a place where I like it. Hey, we'll see. Okay, SPY, I'm down 12% now. It's a very tight range on the day, like for the SPY. All right, Meta. Hey, we're on the next Hike and Ashy. This is the first one that's open below that 13 EMA. So, or not Hike and Ashy, but the next 2 minute candle that's open below the 13 EMA. Let's see if we can get a better pullback on Meta. Because honestly, this 669 level or this 670 level should be pretty big on Meta. Well, actually, once again, I didn't. I'm saying it should be pretty big, but I don't even. I think I was saying. I think I just have this as like a resistance area. So Meta has come all into that resistance area, and can now has permission to, I guess, sell off again. But yeah, Hike and Ashy is not trying to do the thing yet. And then here, look. Meta right now is trying to hold up at this. So we'll have to see. Still got 5 minutes on this 15-minute candle. Let me see. Dollar's still doing all right. It's above the 200 though. Dollar's in an uptrend on the day. I think the dollar had just crossed into being positive on the day too. All right, we got, okay. So that was the first complete candle under the 13 EMA on Meta. See if we can get some more. See if we can still maintain some strength, like in it pulling back. Because I'm not fully convinced that Meta's like done to the upside, but I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced on either direction on Meta right now. Hey, SPY's still trying to hold up. Hey, you look at this 2 minute, it's still doing this little move. Yeah. All right, so we still got that call wall at 7:55. We've been chilling at like 7:53 all day. You said, can you share the link to your trading strategy? I got a playlist that's like, here, let me see. So this right here takes you to a website, or it takes you to my website, and I would say like the ninth video on there is gonna be like the best. Right here, let me show you. Quick little look. This is the website. This is like a playlist just to kind of. It's also on YouTube, but I would say this video right here will show you.
It was good, family. In this video,
the setup that I trade. So I just pasted a link in the description bin. I would check that out. And then I have other videos on the channel kind of about it too, but I will say what I'm doing right now is not going to be what it shows there, but that video, the strategy in that video is what I look for. It's just we don't always see it. So this is like kind of I would say what I'm doing right now is I'm scraping for money. But when I see like the best, like good money, like, hey, this is going to run, or this is like easy money, like let me just jump in it. That's the video I just sent you. That's ideally what I trade. It's like I still kind of need to make videos about what I'm doing right now. But there are plenty of live streams. Like if you watched any of the live streams for the previous week. You said so that one's starting next week. Yeah, starting next week. So it's not gonna be public, but we will still do something on Friday. There will still be something. I don't know if we do another $1,000 challenge, or maybe I try to do the 10% on Friday, but it's like I can't guarantee 10% on Friday. Or actually, I can't guarantee anything, but it's like maybe I try to do it, but we'll see. We'll do something next week, but like maybe I'll have 2 of those snowball challenge accounts going, but I'll say there's a higher likelihood of success with the one where I have 4 to 5 days to trade it, whereas if I just have one just have one on what is it? Have one on Friday, because Fridays you don't always get the moves you need. Let's see, what was I gonna say? Okay, so kind of pulling back. Said 10-4 definitely in. Hey, love to hear it. Love to hear it. Okay, so are we going to cross below this 13 EMA? Just so everyone knows where I'm looking right here. So these are both the same. They're both on the SPY. This is on the 15 minute. This is on the 2 minute. And this one right here are using candles that are referred to as the Heiken Ashi. They are, I believe, Japanese momentum candles. Okay, we're pulling back on the SPY. Kind of. We pull back to the 48 EMA. I would like to see us come lower below this. It's good to see Meta pulling back. Like, that's good. But now the SPY doesn't want to pull back as much as Meta, even though I was following it. So need hood to bounce back. I would not count on it. It looked like the happy level for when I last checked. Hood was for hood was between 111 and 110. Let me see if that's changed at all. But let's see. Bro, does hood still exist on here? Oh yeah, it's right there. Let's see. Yeah, it's still like between 110 and 111. All right, so hey, all right, we got the first one like starting opening up below the hike or the 13 EMA. So this, hey, we're starting to move in a direction that is favorable. And then also, yo, on this candle, this one was red or black online, and we have not invalidated this trade yet, so we're still good to go right now. What just happened? Okay. Eat this with Chef Nick. Yep, been bouncing on 115 all week. Still water deep. So what are you watching for? So I'm currently in a trade to the downside, what's referred to as a put. So I am trying to watch this stock continue to come down. Here I would say like if you don't like fully understand what's going on here, I got like a whole playlist on my website. This link right here I just posted in the chat, that should get you up to speed, like to help you understand this. But yeah, a lot of this isn't going to make sense if you don't have that prior knowledge on how to like trade options and whatnot, how to actually execute options trades and read the charts. But yeah, essentially what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to make sure that, or I'm trying to buy a put which profits as the asset goes down. Donnie, when you say check QQQ, what do you wanting to see with it? The Qs are red on the day, barely. Should look similar to the SPY, like a lot of consolidation. But yeah, it's kind of similar to the SPY, just different size candles. What are you wanting to see here? Mass 3DRC, top of the morning, family. All right, is the SPY finally about to do it? We've had the dollar trying to move up. I'm still down like 20%. We got 20 seconds left on this Heiken Ashi. See if we can keep this momentum. Actually, it's not really that much momentum. All right, so another one below. We'd like to see us sell off some more, but yeah, we'll see. All right, so I'm gonna go back to What is it? Oh, it was Meta. Where's it at? Yeah, this spot is like basically not moving. I need everyone in the chat to have a baby and qualify for the $1,000 hood baby account to give me some moment. Oh no, no. Don't need the momentum to be too crazy. Hey, it'll come in at some point. They're just trying to shake some hands out. I think we got enough juice. It's like they say the stock market is they say a method of transferring wealth from the impatient to the patient. So, just hang in there, family. We got this. We got this. Okay, hold up. Okay, I'm almost back to break even. Oh, there we go. Or no? Hey, the SPY is starting to move. The contract, I'm still down like 3-4%. Hey, but we should have something here in a moment. Yeah, it'd be nice to come over here to where my target was. Hey, we getting some movement though. That's maybe. Hey, Brandon says SPY pooping. Hey, I'm gonna need it to let it go a little harder. 1200 SPY put looks good. 1200. What you mean by 1200? Where is? Oh, there it is. Take this back to a 2. But they're trying to hold it up here. Let me. Where is? Yeah, this 48 EMA on the 2 minutes, kind of the next challenger. Hey, what? Hey, what? Why y'all saying 1200? I need answers, family. What's going on with 1200? All right, so now the bigger call wall is at 750 again. All right. No, they trying to show some green. I'm gonna need them to. Okay. Hey, as long as it's not just me. It's like we've moved so much and so little at so. Actually, we've moved so little, but we've moved so much at the same time. All right, Meta pulling back some more. Hey, the SPY doesn't want to follow it as closely anymore. All right. Hey, Patrick. Good morning. So you're here with me? Ooh. Said the 1200 with a typo. Yeah, I feel like you would know. Yeah, it probably was. Let's see. Well, that's also kind of why I asked for clarity though. I'm like, what level we looking at? All right, SPY moving a little bit more. Um, I'm like down 4%. It's jumping around between being down 3% and like down 6%. Yeah, nah, that's for real playing around. I think, hey, I think we gonna get like a little ass who referred to it as yo, as Brandon says five pooping. I think we might get a bigger one, but I guess we'll have to wait and see. But it's like the actual SPY price, it's kind of holding this level. But like the hike and ashy, yo, they're still stringing the red. So we're gonna see how long this can go, how well this does. The momentum is going down. It's going slow, but it's going down. You said bought 10, 9, 20 puts, sold at. Oh, so was that like 1,200 profit or something? Would love to see 740. Oh, that'd be amazing. That would be amazing, especially if we got like one of those crazy Trump tweets while we're already in the trade. That would be amazing. It's like he never wants to do it while I'm in the trade. It's normally just like, yo, all right, oh what, we can get these contracts for cheap right now. He's like, oh yeah, hey, run the news, and then the price goes crazy, and it's like, what, yo, I was in that trade earlier, and he's like, I know, I waited for you to get out. So market stressing you out too much. That is a wise decision. Yeah, if it's getting to you, if you're losing your cool because of it, yeah, best to step away. The market is not a good place to be if you're feeling any kind of stress or anything. It will get the best of you. Look at that. We got a green hike and ashy. They playing around now. So we do have the dollar that kind of pulled back. But I'm going to say I still don't trust his move. Here, let's see. Patrick said, you and me both, D-Scurve. Need that. He said, never while I'm in the play, either hey, for real. But I will say, like, if you pay attention to the timing of that stuff, it's usually like the back half of the day, like the last 1 or 2 hours. I'm not trading at that point in the day. It's like I'm living life at that point in time. So you're not usually gonna find me at the charts. All right, I'm down like 40% now. On the 15, we're still riding the 13 EMA. Let's see, 30, 1 hour. We got 30 minutes on the 1 hour. 4 hour. I still stand by what I said. I do think we will pull back to 750, 130 by that point. Let's check the 5. See if there's any kind of setup going on here. It's kind of a mess. We're still doing the same thing though. We still in the same range. Let me change this conversation to what is it? Live chat. Down 40 on SPY and my laptop just died. Oh, that sounds like a struggle. That sounds like a struggle. If you're in where I'm at, it's no longer down 40. Make it sound a little better. It's just down 30 now, or 29.11. I like to round. But yes. Got Meta trying to push back up. Yo, these almost makes you want the crazy volume to come in. So yeah, the money today would have been Robinhood, Apple. No, not. Well, I guess you could have with Apple. But so far to date, SPY has not really been a good trade. Regardless, I'm not doing all that. Doing that all day watching is stressful and not for real. It's like hey, swing trading and the occasional check-in, that's all right. But no, yeah, all day. Yeah, it's like I trade so I don't have like a full job. But I will say I'm not liking the direction of the dollar, but also I will on top of that add that the timing of things is not, the timing of the dollar and whatnot are not linked. But I would much rather see the dollar going up right now. We still haven't, this trade still hasn't been validated either, so yeah, I'm just here chilling. Just trying to drag it out on me. All right, so now, hey, we're showing a call wall at 753. So maybe that's could be what the market may. Oh, there we go. Hold up. All right, there it is. Can I get out? Can I get out? All right. Okay. Hold up. Can I get out? Please let me out. Let me out. Okay, so I took profit on, it moved up higher, but I took profit on, ooh, they're at 250 now. I took profit at 144 per share on each of them. All right, there it is. There it is. Okay. Yo, we just had a quick drop to, okay, there is likely some kind of news. But yeah, we had to know it's coming. Wow. All right, so we just made 360. Wow. Bro, they be playing these games. Hey, charts don't lie. My goodness. Hey, you had to know it was coming for how it was moving though. Bro, insane. Okay, yo. Hey, we hit the level. Hey, I don't even know what to say, honestly. I don't know what to say. That's the market. But you do have to pull the trigger fast. Did get a quick spike on the dollar. There is likely some kind of catalyst, but look at the price jumping around. When I see this, I want nothing to do with it. It's like, yeah. Hey, I'll say, family, if you took that, smash that like button. You said, hey, you hey, still no charger. Hey, go buy yourself a new one, family. My goodness. All right. Okay. All right, real quick. Yo, so we just did it. The challenge is done. It's complete. All right, we're going to do a quick look and refresh. You said made 438 on one QQQ and one. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Wow. Okay. That's like, yo, as much as we were just consolidating, it's like I was expecting a move. I wasn't expecting this to be that drastic. But here, let's look at the account real quick. Look at the progress. Oh, I gotta sign in. Hold up. I don't know what just happened. We'll probably find out later. Let's see. Yeah, that's wild. Made 100, tried to catch the 200. Yeah, I'm like, honestly, when I see that, I don't even try to catch the high number. I just try to, I'm like, yo, let me out. Let me out. I know this could just be a quick flash, little quick flash movement. All right, family. All right, so here we are. Wait, where is it? This is the challenge account. Yo, we did what we did. Today at the start of the day, we started with 761. Most of the day, bro, you see the account got as low as 849. And since we started this account, we started the account. All right, opened the account April 24th, and I guess I funded it April 24th too. Bro, it is July 10th. But we're up 1,200%. And it's like all these other moves, they keep getting dwarfed. Like as the account grows, the moves, I mean last week was bigger, but the moves keep getting dwarfed, and it's like the moves that were like moving us earlier in the challenge, they look small now. Jerome Powell under federal investigation. That's wild. That's wild. But anyways, family, that's it for the that's crazy. But that's it for the $100 to $1,000 challenge. I don't remember who recommended it, but thank you. This has been a lot of fun. Now, next up we got the snowball challenge. Once again, and let me drop that link in the whatever. Should you want to learn about it, there it is. Yeah, that's the actual. What is it? That's the actual thing. And then like, should you want to actually understand how it works?
What if $500?
Hold up. Let me let's take it to YouTube.
What if $500?
Drop the little link for you too. But yeah, we're already look at that liquidity, bro. Look how quick that wick hit. That's exactly why you wanna. That's exactly why you wanna get out. Like when you see the profit, take it. All right, hey, what's up, Incense? Been lurking today. Was inspired. Tried to catch the 306. Ended up 140 or 74. Bro, I got out like 140 something, so 174 is still really good. I was out before it even hit that 3. Like button press. Hey, glad to hear you're still getting the money. Brandon doubled up. Wish I could have pulled that sell trigger faster. Could have been a triple up. Sarab, hey, what's up, family? Hey, glad to see you along the journey. Hey, appreciate you showing yourself. Always nice when a lurker is no longer a lurker. All right, so your SPY was at 372. I think that's more than the profit I had today. Let me see. Yeah, if you got one SPY like up there, yeah, that's more than the profit I got. I have 4 contracts. Let me see. Does it show my history? Does it show my trade history? I don't even know how to work this. Nah, so we'll just leave that like that. But yeah, new challenge now. Hey, we're closing where I Hey, we're about where I was like originally looking for us to go now. Monica, morning, missed the play, was getting settled in out. Hey, that's gotta dislike when that happens. Got in at 70, sold at 100%. Legit 100%. That's nice. Britt say, a time was had with you this challenge, learned so much. Hey, very, very welcome. So hey, I'm gonna do a poll right now. I want y'all to vote on it. This is here. I'm gonna end the poll that's about like how we think the market's gonna close today. I'm gonna do a different poll, and I want y'all to vote on it. Cause the what is it, the snowball challenge? That's gonna be in the that's in FreedomCharts. But I'm still gonna do something every Friday. I want to show people like just the power of consistency, continually showing up, and like how you don't need to make these massive trades to continue to move forward and see your account get bigger. I think that's very important for people to see. I want to have continued kind of like case studies that I can point at and like send my friends to, because it's like a lot of people come to me and they're like, yo, how do I make the big bucks? I'm like, yo, I'm not making the big bucks. I'm not making $45,000 a day and all that stuff. I want people to see like, yo, it's like, yo, what do you make at your job? It's like, yo, you may not start making that every day on this, but it's like after some time going at this, you can make a lot more than that, and it'll be like almost nothing. So here, let's see. Hey, said Tindre. Oh, hey, congrats, 184 on the SPY. Good stuff. Tomorrow bought it 111. Says watched the 500 video last night. Was plotting on 10% a day. A day. That's crazy. Oh, you said 15 strikes. That's wild. M-Sense. Wait, here, let me see. So I have like a little thing on my website where whatever you want to do for it, it's programmed for 3 strikes. So if you're trying to do more than that, it's different. But if you wanted to start with like $100, let's see, and go for 10%, the numbers will adjust for you and you can play with that. Or if you want to do it in a spreadsheet, that might be more your speed. But yeah, we got that here. If you want to do 1,000, or if you wanted to change this to 20% instead, see what kind of crazy numbers change and whatnot, there's that resource there. Go to message on your account. Oh, were you trying to tell me how to like look at the things? Market gave me back what I lost yesterday on that spot. Hey, good stuff. Needed that SPY player to get back what I... Hey, Monica, we'll get it back. We'll get it back. I'm not sure if we'll get it back today. I gotta like mentally cool off a moment. Cause it's like that trade was it was kind of like wearing me down a little bit. I'm like, yo, why the SPY's not moving? And it's like it should at least move here, but it's like it was a little mentally taxing. But yo, good thing is you're with me every day, and we'll get it back. Bought 97 at 207. Oh, bought, okay, I got you. I thought you were saying you bought 97 strikes. I'm like, man, you just made some massive money if you bought out like almost 100 of them. It's Buy contract jumped to 215. Try to get out. No luck. Still riding. He said the ceasefire is over. At work right now with this Wi-Fi is like, oh, that's wild. At least 44% is good too. That's more than what I was looking for initially. I think I got probably about 100. The issues president states the ceasefire is over. Okay, that's what. Okay. Consistent daily wins build wealth. Yes, sir. Compound that interest. Timothy couldn't sell fast enough for the big move, but had 3 contracts at 68. Hey, at least you got out. Hey, that's still that's almost 100% right there. And since 10% of trade, okay. 126, okay. Appreciate you, Uzoe. So was it not moving because people were waiting for? I have no idea. No, so I believe, bro, people know what's going to happen because the charts show one thing. The charts show movement that should happen, and then it's almost like they're like, okay, we got the price here. Whoever they need to send it to, they're like, yo, do something crazy, and like make the catalyst happen. Cause it's like, yo, if you're looking in the charts, bro, you will see the craziest stuff in the charts, and you'll be like, there ain't no way this can happen, and then like it happens. It's almost like somebody is pulling the strings, orchestrating it. And it's like, yo, it was just there, pause. It's like, yo, come on, do the thing. And then the thing happens. You don't know how it's going to happen. It happens. I didn't even like have that news. That's why I don't even like really look at news anymore. You said, are you live daily or weekly? So was it Daphlin? 5179. So public for free, I am live. Most of the time it's going to be Fridays. If the market is closed on Friday, or if for some reason I'm traveling somewhere, it'll be Thursday. So I would just say like, yo, have your channel notifications on, like click the bell notification icon, because sometimes it's Thursday, but it'll be every week. Whatever the last trading day of the week is, I'll be live if I'm not traveling. And then I'm live every day in FreedomCharts. Yes, patience paid today. Make sure to say exactly, that's how I feel. Do I have a video explaining the Greeks? Yeah, so that same playlist I showed earlier, let me see. So here, I'll post it again. So matthewmanuel.co/start here or whatever. Just post it in the whatever, but the 7th video where it says want to understand options pricing, watch this video. That's it. And then if you're having trouble like finding the perfect option strike, I would say this is probably like one of the most underrated videos right here. Hack for finding the perfect option strike price. I would say check that out. Hey, look at that. SPY's already back up to that level it was at. Suraj, crazy question, but what's my win? Honestly, if I'm being real with you, I don't know. But if I were just throwing out a number, I'd probably say it's probably like 65% if I had to guess. I win more than I lose, but I do take losses. And most of the time I take losses, it's going to be like when it's just me and I'm like just throwing stuff out there. Because it's like, if you pay attention, like this whole Boy, this whole challenge, this is the 9th week, and I think this is the 11th trade. 11th or 12th or something like that. Or maybe 13th. But this whole challenge did not lose a single trade. But if you come in, if you join Freedom Charts, you'll see I lose trades, but you'll see I win a lot more than I lose. And it's like usually when I lose, I'm like, oh, this could happen, or like I'm just throwing this out there because it's like there are trades I kind of like gamble on. So it's like I would say if it was not for me gambling, and it's like if it was just like high conviction plays, bro, I'd say I probably have a 90% win rate, 85-90%. But when it comes to just me throwing stuff out, or you encompass all my trades, I probably guess it drops down to like 65% or so, if I had to say. But honestly, I don't know. I just try to watch the trend of the actual account. All right, so back to what I was saying. I was about to start a poll. I wanted to see what challenge should we do on the weekends, or on Fridays, let's say. All right, so we're gonna go $100 to $1,000 challenge, snowball challenge, compounding 10%, we need something better. We need something better. Okay. Yeah, why is it, we don't need to, oh, okay. All right, so, yeah, I just put another poll in, y'all vote on that. I'm gonna look for things that look good for the 4-hour chart, potential swings. So Meta right here, this is either a really good short. Actually, it looks like, hold on, what's the, Meta is crossed to the upside, okay. So I'm not going to try to trade that to the downside. Let me see it on the daily. Yo, it just gapped above the 200, so it might come back to that, but Meta looks good for upside right now, just not taking it from right here. Himson said XRP challenge. I'm gonna say if y'all say we need something better, which I'm assuming is likely the is M-Sense, then I'm gonna stick to trading options, cause that's what I do best. If it's not broken, don't fix it. Like if you want to trade crypto, there are people way better at trading crypto than me. But nah, it's like if I'm able to make these returns, trading option, there is legit no reason for me to move to any other currency. So I see 47% are voting for the snowball challenge. If y'all do have any other suggestions, we'll see. Been a great challenge to participate in, earn while you learn. Hey, for real. Hey, that's what we like. Whatever you do, keep that green trades only challenge going. You said keep that going. Bro, honestly, I'm probably about to like move this money over somewhere else. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with it, but I'll probably move it somewhere. Like I got a little trip to Florida with my family. And it's like I'll probably like if I'm going to do something with $1,000, then I'll pull the 300 or something out. If we do 500, then I'll pull 500 or something out. Like that's kind of how I'm looking at it. Dafflin, hey man, if it's not broke, don't fix it. Hey, for real, like, bro, everybody always try to get me to change up and do other stuff, and I'm like, yo, no. I am finally old enough and mature enough to stop trying to please everyone and like change to everyone. It's like, yo, this is what's working for me. It's like, yo, you can come learn, but don't try to learn and change me at the same time. It's like, yo, it's one thing if I come to you to learn. It's like I'm open to learning, but I'm not gonna like just completely switch up what I'm doing. All right, we're still moving down. Like on the spy, it's still moving down. Honestly, shoot, that like gave like a reload, which is kind of wild. All right, so hey, we're at 54% on the $100 to $1,000 challenge. Shoot, we might have to run it up again. Whatever the vote on this stream is at the end of this, that'll be what we go for. I was rewatching the playlist last night. Like I was getting like clips and stuff to try to like. I'm gonna repost all of the parts where I'm actually in the trade on the live stream. So I was like going through and like pulling those out, and like I saw how I started the challenge. And it's like the trade that I went for today, I would not have gone for the first week in this challenge. So it's like starting with less, you do have to have a different kind of mindset. You do have to be a little bit more responsible. And as you get a little bit more and you can kind of recover and save yourself, things get a little bit easier. But yeah, we might. Yeah, it's looking like we're gonna run up the 100 to 1,000 again. Let's see though. But hey, I want y'all to see we're like right here at this level where I was like, yo, we should at least be. All right, let's see. The 100 to 1,000 is a banger. Would love to see the green trades only too. Right, I'm gonna say the green trades only. I think that's something we go for. Like that's ideally we try to trade the best we can, and I'll try to continue to do that because it's like when I am trading on Fridays, I understand this is a lot of people's first time trading. So I don't take that lightly. I do, like, while I do still take losses on Friday, I'm not trying to like leave a bad taste or at least be associated with anyone's bad taste of trading in their mouth. Because I'm gonna be real, a lot of people come up to me about trading or talk to me about trading or ask me about it. Like if you're my friend, I'll be like, yeah, you probably don't want to trade. Like I will usually try to talk you out of it. But it's like, if you come to my channel and I know you've seen like other larger influencers, like in other spaces or whatnot, trying to push something on you, I'm like, oh no, yeah, hey, come this way. I will show you a more responsible, kind of chiller way to do it. But also, I can't say I'm the most responsible because y'all see me trading these 0 DTs. That's not responsible. But I got rules for it, so. JM4365 missed most of the plays due to being away during the 100 to 1,000. Hope you'll do more in the future once you. Hey, hit the 1K. Like hit that today. So yo, we'll run it again next week. It's looking like we're doing 100 to 1,000 yet again. All right, I use Webull for primary, but I have 100 on Robinhood for that. Okay, cool. Tiffany, good morning. Am I in any trades at the moment? So yo, the next challenge will start next week. Um, I was wanting to do the $500. I was wanting to do the snowball challenge, but hey, I'm still gonna do the snowball challenge in FreedomCharts, and like I'll make my intention is to do weekly videos, kind of like how the 52-week Robin Hood challenge used to be on my channel, like some years ago, like years ago, like I want to say that was like 2019, 2020 kind of stuff. Oh, I see some family members making their way to FreedomCharts and getting that 5-day free trial. Hey, welcome family. If y'all can hear the sound of my voice, hey, welcome. Yeah, it's like this every day. How do you help your struggling members? You said, do I do one-on-ones? So no, not exactly, but shoot, while we're here, let me show you something real quick. So every Wednesday, we have a Zoom call, and it's honestly pretty small and intimate. Let me show you what those look like. Let me play you a video for one of them. All right, so this, I didn't upload the one from this week, but this one is from last week. All right, so this is a little Zoom call. This is like before it starts. All right, we'll get on a chart. There's me and two other people, and it's like, okay, we got someone else hopping in. Yeah, so it's like 4 people all the way through. We'll talk charts. I'll answer questions. It's small. Oh, okay, we got 5 people now. It's like pretty small, pretty intimate. So I would say that's how I do it. It's just going to be Wednesday, 7:30 Central Time. So if that time doesn't work for you, it's probably not the best move, but that is kind of my one-on-one kind of deal. That's how it works. Like I don't, like if is anything you're struggling with, there's a lot of time to deal with it on the actual live streams because it's so interactive. It's not like it's not as many people as there are right now on the live streams during the week. So I can address your questions faster in real time. But if you want to actually speak to me, the Zooms are a great place for that, and there's plenty of time for you to actually ask like that. What's a good support for SoFi? Let's look. Last I saw it was probably about 1820, but let's see where SoFi is trading right now. Oh wait, I guess it was 1860, not 18. No, SoFi just kept moving. Okay, I said 1820. I meant like 1920, but it kept going. So it's going to be like about where it is right now at 1662. Right here. Let's see. M says, okay, I made money overnight on iBit. Made money this one. Hey, good stuff. Hey, close the laptop. Hey, M sense. So 100 to 1,000 is going to start on Friday. The snowball challenge, we're going to start looking at that on Monday. So the snowball challenge will be in FreedomCharts. The 100 to 1,000 will be Fridays, or whatever the last trading day of it, the week is. JM, are you FreedomCharts Wednesdays just reading charts with others, or do you? JM, whatever questions you have, honestly, it's not even limited to just like trading. Like I get questions on like Claude and stuff like that too occasionally. It's not limited to just charts. So no, yeah, It's like whatever questions that are had, yo, as long as it's not like just too outrageous, it's whatever. Like I'm not like the conversation is open, but it's like if there is no direction or anything, we're talking charts. All right, so we still moving down on this market right now. Let me while we're just like here on stream, we got about 25 minutes left. I'm gonna just be here scanning through, looking through different charts just to see if I see anything at any levels. You said Google. What's here? I'll look at that over here. What are you trying to look at? Oh, so Google. Like I haven't even looked at it yet, but I know Google recently crossed a trend line. Oh, it might have. Okay, it's coming back to retest a trend line, so it might be a good like upswing move. Hold up, cause it crossed. I don't know how I feel about it. It's like I want to play upside because they got earnings coming up. They cross and try to break out, but I really need to kind of see. I feel like at 350 they'll be like a good buy, but I don't know. Where they are right now, I see on the 4 hour they're like their 13 EMA is crossing over their 200, which is not looking as favorable. But also they are still above this like trend line, which was kind of, it looked like they broke out of. Here, I want to see how they look on the week actually. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about it. They might be coming down some more. So right now, I personally, I'd leave it alone. You said how much to join FreedomCharts? So there is a free lounge. Honestly, you don't get much outside of I'm gonna be real. It's nice. It's nice having like basic access to the Discord because there's a alpha trader in there, and he has some like great suggestions, but there's not much there. It's like 97 a month though, or if you get it for a year, it's like I think it averages out to be like 80 or so a month. Let me see. But I know, hey, first 5 days are free, and you got the chance to cancel if you want to. Do you do any options longer than 0 DTE? So, yes, and I would say like that's like my main thing. But recently, since we've been doing this challenge, I've kind of been killing these 0 DTEs, and I've been running it up. And I've been like, hey, I don't want to get too greedy. And I know how the market is, which when I say how the market is, right now it's very volatile because we got this whole situation with Iran, Trump, like the Fed, like oil, all this stuff. And it's like there is so much that keeps happening. And the market is so susceptible to it that like, I like to trade on. Oh wait, hold up. Peace out, Mahishu. Have a blessed weekend. It's like I like to trade on the weekends, or not the weekends. I like to trade on the 4 hour and like swing my trades, but because of the fact that there is all this news, my trades, like the trades occur, but like if it happens after hours and then quickly shifts because of some news, I can't get in or out of the option. So it's like right now the safest thing for me to do has been to do these zero DTEs, or maybe I get more time on the contract, but I go through. Oh wait, hold up. Hold up. I just realized I missed your message, Mass3DRC. You said can I go through the rules I use for the zero DTEs? So kinda it kinda just comes down to, so I have one, like if I get in a trade, like this one for instance today with the SPY, I entered like right here on this candle, and I was entering basing this blue line right here is resistance. If we get a complete candle close above this on the 15, like where the candle does not fully contact this line, like this black one right here, I would close out the trade. The reason I stayed in a trade though is because this was a more bearish candle and it was coming back to the line. So if this candle had been bullish or green, like and more than like it being like a spinning top, then I would have cut out and been out of the trade right here. But notice every single one of these candles still remained in contact with this blue line, and the one that didn't was bearish. So I was like, okay, I'll still stick through the trade. And then the other one is over here looking at the Heiken Ashi. If I am going to trade a trend, here, let me turn off the other ones. Like if I'm going to just try to hop in and ride a trend, wait, hold up. On the 2 minute, looking at the 13 EMA, once we get a complete candle close above, or like above or below, so notice like this was above the 13 EMA, this blue line. So this whole time on the Heiken Ashi, I wasn't in a favorable position. It hadn't started moving in my way yet. Right here, we broke below, but we didn't get the first like full candle. But the first full candle that was good to go for me, where it's like, all right, the trend started, now I kind of watch for it, was this one right here. So looking at that, I am now looking for like, hey, we invalidated whenever I see a candle where it's like, hey, we are above this now, and we get a complete candle above this bullish. This candle is above and is bullish, but it's still touching the line, as with this one here as well. So as of right now, the trend is still bearish in my eyes, because we haven't gotten any of these, like we've come above, but we haven't gotten any that haven't come into contact with it. So I would kind of say those are kind of my rules. Kind of. There's probably more. We just need to kind of come into it for the specific situations to know. All right, let's see. How do you know to set your resistance at? So there's something called top-down analysis. So I do my charting. Most times I'll start on the 4-hour. I can see there. So this is where that resistance came from. I think pre-market resistance was actually around like if I was just looking at pre-market and then hop up here and look, pre-market resistance was about 10 cents below this. But I was like, hold up. I saw on the 4-hour, I'm like, oh yeah, we got some good liquidity right here. There is a good probability that we will come here and at least push down to this 751 kind of 30 area. And that is where I got it from. Yeah, just like right here. That's what I was trying to do. I wasn't trying to look for a crazy magnificent trade. I didn't know it would send us to pre-market lower. I was just looking to get here. I thought it would happen a little faster, but no, I think it ended up better anyway. So I was like, yo, we will take that. All right, let's see the votes. All right, so we're at 56% for the $100 to $1,000 challenge. Okay, so that's what we'll do on Friday. Okay, do it again. Thank you for the info. Don't totally understand the hike in Ashy yet. We'll do some research. I still need to do a video on it. But yeah, that is something that needs to be done. I don't think I'll be doing it today. I think I'm supposed to go to like the farmers market or something with my wife, but it's something I guess in the pipeline. All right, so another thing that I often look for, we got the dollar right here. It usually has an inverse relationship with stocks. As the dollar goes down, stocks will go up. So as I see this dropping right now, I would not be surprised to see us start popping or pushing up more. So I know the gamma exposure was showing like 755 to be resistance. So I would kind of like look to that to kind of what just happened? I would kind of look to that level to kind of, should we get above 753, I would look to 755 to be next resistance, but 753 is still serving as a pretty solid resistance right now. But yeah, just seeing this dollar drop like this, I just see that. Alex, you said, will I still do the snow? So I'm going to be doing this snowball. I'm starting the snowball challenge on Monday. That's just going to be in FreedomCharts. There will still be updates. I'll be doing video updates. I used to do videos where I want to pull up some like old me, because I know a lot of y'all have not seen like old Matthew YouTube. Like I have this old challenge on my channel. I think some of the videos have gone away just because of like music and stuff, but let's see. I gotta go back here. Let me see. Okay, here, look, so the thumbnails look like this. Look at this. Week 43, Robinhood 52-week options trading challenge, all this stuff. All right, so they originally looked like this, but look at this. How to grow your portfolio 13,000% in less than a year. So this is when it started.
Guys, as you can,
bro, it's rough. It's for sure rough. But I think at the end of these videos, I guess not that one. Let me go back. Shoot, it sent me back. Let's see. Bro, some of these I was talking, I was like spitting some real like inspiration and stuff. I want to get back to this. This was when YouTube was fun for me, like a lot of fun for me. And I wanna get back to that. Like, oh, look at that! Look how I started. I'm right here in front of a pool. Like, look at that. I wanted to like talk to y'all first before we got to it. I want to get back to that. That's like, I like to connect. It's crazy. I remember the first time I had somebody like send me something. He sent me like a pen with my name on it, and it said like it had something that I always said on it, and I was like, that's great. Oh, Alex, don't feel the need to check those out. Don't feel the need to check those out, but I just want to get back to that. You don't have to. If you watch those, don't tell me. Don't tell me. Like, they're on my channel, but it's rough. It's rough. Understand that. Hey, I got them there, so it's like, never forget where you come from. But those, bro, I would get messages, like I would get DMs, it's like, when are you posting this week's video and stuff? I'm like, dang, bro, like people that's what originally grew my channel. I'm like, dang, that's when I started getting subscribers. I'm like, wow. You said I look so young. Oh, that must mean I look old now. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. But yeah, that was a lot. That was a while ago. I think that was like 20. Bro, my timeline might be off. Hold up. Cause it's like I feel like when I was out there, I was like 2018, but I'd say I didn't start training in like 2019, so my timeline might be off a year or so. I gotta look now, see when those videos were and when that started. I might have been trading. I might have taken a year of trading away from myself. Um, no, so yeah, that's like 7 years ago. Yeah, I started that. It's 20. Yeah, like 2019. Let me see if we can get the exact date. Hey, you say you never know how you, bro. I've had people in the NFL like reach out to me, like trying to get me to show them how to like trade and stuff. Bro, when I was in college, it was crazy. Like they were like, I'm like, dang, this dude plays football at this school. I'm like, okay, but I felt like an imposter back then. Like I didn't like know what I was doing. I was kind of just like trying to get 10%, and it was like I was like, okay, let me just take profit here, but then I would get greedy. I was trying to trade off news. I was trying to act like I had like some kind of like reason, and like sometimes it would just be like support and resistance, but I didn't know like the different strengths and whatnot, and like, oh, what support or resistance is good to do it, or like, oh, this level's probably beat down. I wasn't thinking about all that
Miss
stuff.
out on it.
I was just like, oh yeah, let's trade some news. So let me see when this video was posted. The initial one. Let me see. Go. Oh, June 22nd, 2029. Yo, it's almost been. Yo, okay. So it's legit. Almost been 7. Or I guess it's flip it. Yeah, it's almost been 7 years. Crazy. Hey, you said fake it till you make. Hey, for real. Honestly, if I'm being real, like I said, I was profitable before I was profitable, and it's like I wonder how many people did that. And the only reason I said I was profitable, before I was profitable, is because of the fact that what you just said, fake it till you make it. It's like I kept saying, everyone say you gotta fake it till you make it, and it's like, the cognitive dissonance of how it feels like you saying something and it not lining up with the truth will make that adjustment occur. So it's like it doesn't feel good lying, but it's also like where does the line get drawn between delusion and lying? It's like I don't like lying. Like that's not like in my character, but like looking back, it's like, oh yeah, I lied for a little bit, but I was on the path to it. So it's like I was thinking ahead of where I was, or I was thinking of myself from the future, saying I was profitable. I was like projecting. And it's like I don't know how I feel about that, if I'm being honest, but it's done the thing it needs to do. So I was being prophetic. Hey, I don't know. I don't know. It's just like It's like I think. I don't know how I feel about the whole like profits and all that, but it's like, hey, I like making profits. I don't know. But anyways, we're pushing up some more. We're back at the high of day. We got like 5 minutes left on the stream. Hey, SoFi trying to pop back up too. Let me see it. Let me check in on Meta. Or let me keep going down the list. Spy look like it's broken out. Yeah, we might. I would not be surprised. We're coming into earnings seasons. Honestly, I would not be surprised if in the next like week or two we're at all-time highs once again. He said it's calling it into existence, not lying, it's biblical. I was having this talk with my wife last night, Monica. Like it's like you know how God is what's some small tickers to build up my small ramen? If you're looking for small, I would say SoFi, Rivian. Yeah, I'd just say SoFi and Rivian. Maybe Nike. Nah, I feel like Nike's kind of slow, but Nike possibly. SoFi, Rivian, Nike, maybe PayPal. Here, let me check my Gap scanner, see if there's anything on there real quick. Or let's see. What day was? Oh shoot, I didn't even see that. Hold up, let's see how Rivian and Path did today, because apparently they were on my scanner. I didn't even. I just called Rivian out, but I didn't. Not like too crazy today. And then Path. These will probably Rivian and Path will probably do good over the next week if they're on my scanner. Let me look at them one more time. Okay, not a crazy amount more. Let's look at the momentum. There's no real momentum. Romans 4:17. Let's see. Let me look that up real quick. See. I think I'm in Mark right now, so I'm quite a ways away from Romans. Let's see. Okay, as it is written, I have made thee a father of many nations before. Wait, hold up. Even God who quickeneth the dead calleth those things which be not as though they were. Okay, hey, that's a good look. I'll probably show that to my wife like right after this. That's good. Yeah, Spy broke through, or I wouldn't say broke through. So like similar to what I was saying earlier about this level being resistance, I would now have this level be resistance, and what I would like to see is once again, like we do have the uptrend over here on the what is it? On the Heiken Ashi, but I would like to see like a 15-minute that lives completely above this, or like to be riding this trend on the Heiken Ashi if I'm going to try to go for it. Oh, hold up. Hold up, y'all. Well, actually, that's going to do it for the day, family. All right, family. So I appreciate each and every one of y'all for being here. I hope some of y'all got to catch some of the bread. And if you didn't, we got some, and we'll be back same time next week. But yeah, appreciate each and every one of y'all. Thank y'all for smashing the like button. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, Sarah. Peace out, Judah. Peace out, B21-322. Peace out, Uzoe. Peace out, Alex. Peace out, Tamara. Peace out, Brandon. Peace out, Monica. Peace out, D Skirt. Peace out, Ahmed. Peace out, the Mass 3DRC. Peace out, Kevin. F3917. Yo, should I not call your name? Should I miss you? Hey, peace out, Ken. It's not cause I don't love you. Simply, I didn't see it and I got off. Peace out, ever since. But yeah, with that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off. Have a great weekend. I want to change your life. Peace out, family.